Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and in this video, I'm going to share with you my lead generation secrets. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm going to assume you're a coach, consultant, business owner, or someone looking to start a business. So if that's you, stick around to the end. This is going to give you a great insight into maybe how you can improve your lead generation, or if it's not working currently, how you can get it working and get it running properly in your business. Now, very quickly, who am I? My name is James Nicholson, and I've been in business 17 years. And I've had all the ups and downs that you get as a business owner, a roller coaster ride. But in that time, I've figured out something very, very special about internet marketing. And I've developed a methodology that I call my business accelerator methodology. Now, using this methodology, I've actually generated more than 120,000 leads in my business, which is crazy, right? And I've done that in the last 5 years. Now, this means that my businesses have generated many, many millions of pounds. Now, I've also gone on to mentor thousands of entrepreneurs and business owners just like you, and it's shown me that this methodology works in any business. Right, in any business. Now, what I want you to understand is not all leads are equal. That's very, very, very important, right? When you get inquiries, maybe you get inquiries now in your business, or maybe you're here because you don't. But if you do get inquiries, just think about this. Not everyone is the same quality. Some people, when they make the inquiry, you just know they're really not someone you want to work with. Now, you might consider working with them still, just because your business doesn't have enough quality leads at the moment. So you'll work with anyone with a pulse or a checkbook. Now, I want to change that, and I want to help you get from where you are right now to getting this fixed and getting this working in your business. Now, a lot of people go for lead generation straight away. They try and get married on a first date. Couple of things wrong with that. One, it's creepy, right? Really, really creepy. Two, it just doesn't work, right? It just doesn't work. So what we need to do before we even ask somebody to become a lead is to demonstrate you're an expert, right? And we do that with content. Really, really important that you put quality content out that educates your audience, inspires your audience so they start the process of knowing you, liking you and trusting you, and actually also push some people away, right? You don't want to work with everybody. So you could start your content saying, look, here's how you renovate a house. This isn't any good for somebody that's on a really, really tight budget. Right, and then that pushes the people away that are on a tight budget. You don't want those people. You want the people that are really investing in their project, right? That's really, really important. Now, content could be made in video like this. It could be audio like a podcast, or it could be written like a blog post or a post that you put on LinkedIn or Facebook. It doesn't matter. It just matters that you get some content out there, right? That's the key here, is some content, right? Now, some of your businesses might need content to educate an audience on what your product is. So I work with a company, they're a health and wellbeing company, Ronald and Patrina, and they have a product called iridology, which is a photo of the eye that helps them identify potentially stuff that's wrong with you. Now, most people I've asked never even heard of this. They don't even know what iridology is. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. So what they have to do is demonstrate that they can help you if you've got things like eczema or diabetes and stuff like that, right? And so they produce content around those topics, and then they present people a solution. And they say, look, if you've got diabetes, here's some things that you can do to improve it. And another thing you can do is get checked out properly using this iridology stuff. And so they couldn't just go out there and say, here's an iridology content video, because no one's looking for that. I hope that makes sense, right? So the content is there so people know you, like you, trust you, get introduced to you, get value, and see you as an expert, right? That's very, very important. Now, then we capture the lead, right? And then at that point, they're now better leads because they already like you a little bit. Whereas what most people do is they're just going for the lead, and then the quality deteriorates because it's just like, well, yeah, I'll become a lead in that business, and there's no relationship there. So by putting this additional step in, this is really, really important. Now, how do you get the leads? Well, you're going to give something away, a guide, a report, a discount voucher, something that people opt in for. It could be a video that they opt in for. There's tons of things. And on my Business Accelerator, we actually work with you personally to figure out what is it that you're going to give away. Like one thing that I give away is my customer avatar sheet, right? And so if you check my customer avatar videos out, this is the ebook is available. But in this video below is an ebook on my 30 best lead generation strategies, which is actually quite useful when you're watching a video like this. So do go and check out the description. There's tons of good stuff in there. And one of them is to go and get my PDF on lead generation, right? So content first to show them an expert. Then you give something away that's valuable. Then what do you do? Next, you want to turn them into a customer, right? So you want to have a go at turning them into a customer because not everyone's ready to buy, but some are. And so we want to work out who those people are. So we're going to offer them something. And there's different ways to do this. One way is to sell something cheap. I do that. And if you want to grab a copy of, here's a little plug. If you want to grab a copy of my new book, Expert Mastery, again, that's in the description. I'll give you a free copy of Expert Mastery. I'll pay for the book. You pay for the shipping, right? And this book will go into a lot more detail on this 5-step process. So do go and grab a copy of that in the description. But that's one way to turn them into a customer, sell them something cheap, right? Next is you can turn them into a customer by booking an appointment, right? And so they could book a consultation call with you where you give them value and map out a process on how your system works and then ask them if they want to enroll at the end of it. Another way that you could do that is to book a visit. Maybe you go out and actually physically see them and meet them, or they come to you and meet you. There's tons of different ways to do this, right? So the third step is to turn them into a customer. Next, you're going to offer on that call or on that visit, you're going to offer your core product or service, whatever that is, right? This is the time to do it. It's the fourth step. You don't do this first. A lot of people get their marketing wrong and it fails because all they do is just offer this. This is all they do. They just say, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. People don't want to be sold to. They like to buy, but they don't want to be sold to, right? And that's important that you wait. You build a relationship with someone, with the content, with the opt-in that you've given them, with the phone call or the meeting. You build the relationship before you offer something for sale, right? Digital marketing is great, but so many people go and try and jump ahead. Then that's 4 steps, right? These are the key 4 steps that you do, but there's one more. And before I go into that, can you help me, please? I want to get this message out to more people on YouTube. And the way that you can help me do that is by smashing the like button. So hit the like button on this video and comment below. Let me know your thoughts or any questions you've got. Tell me who you are and what your business is. So comment below. Tell me all about you and your business. By doing that, that will help the YouTube algorithm. And I get to know you guys. I want to know more about the viewers on this channel. So please do that. And if you didn't earlier, subscribe to the channel as well, because that's going to be a winner. Now, what do you do next? Well, first, as we said, is content. Make sure that they think you're an expert and know you're an expert, know, like, and trust you, educate them. Next, you capture the lead. Next, you try and turn them into a customer, sell them something cheap. If you didn't go and grab the book, do make sure you grab that here today. And next, you offer your core your core product or service. And then where most people go wrong is they jump straight to the top and they just look for new business constantly. You're not going to do that. You're going to continue to sell to your clients, to your existing clients. And I'm world class at helping business owners build a product ladder. And so in that, we will help you develop different products and services you can offer people. So if you're a coach, you might have a low ticket product, which is a book. Then you might have some digital courses. Then you might have a coaching program. And then you might have a mastermind. And then you might have a retreat, right? Estate agents. One of the estate agents I work with, he put a sideline business into this, right? And so he had an additional business, which was to mentor other estate agents. We will work with you to figure out what it is. Maybe you have affiliate products. So I teach people marketing and I mentor people to get this marketing stuff working in their business. And for that, you're going to need some tools. You're going to need email marketing software and stuff like that. So all of those sorts of programs and tools, they have affiliate stuff where I can refer someone and get a commission. So I do that, right? And that gets me some additional revenue streams. And some of them, I get very good income every single month, thousands in income every single month on a recurring basis, which is really, really good, right? And that's a real win for my business. So these are the 5 steps. Make sure you take business owners, prospects even through that. But look, make sure you find out more about how this works. So do grab a copy of Expert Mastery in the description. It's free, right? You can't say better than that. This is really going to be a winner for you guys. And let me know your thoughts. Do let me know who you are and what your business is. Any questions? If you disagree, agree. If you've learned something here, and smash the like button. I've been James Nicholson. Good luck with growing your business, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now.